Permission sets allow you to assign tasks to specific control panel users without giving them access to other sensitive areas of data. Permission sets can be created in the Settings section under Nation Defaults, Permission Sets. Assign access to a single path step. Sometimes you'll want a control panel user to be responsible for a single step on a path. For example, let's say you have a staffer who you want to research possible donors, but you don't want them to see the donors on later steps of the donor path. You can achieve this by assigning a single path step to the staffer. First, create an assigned permission set. Go to Settings, Nation Defaults, Permission Sets, and New Permission Set to create a custom permission set for your volunteers or low-level staff. Select or unselect checkboxes in order to limit all permissions to the control panel. Using the People drop-down at the top of the page, set the permission set to Assigned. This will limit your staffer's ability to see profiles that are not directly assigned to them. Assign this permission set to control panel users. Go to your staffer's profile, click Edit, and select Low-Level Staff from the Permission Set drop-down. Click Save Person. Assign the control panel user to a path step. You can assign the staffer to a step manually, or you can make it an automatic setting so when people join the path, the step is pre-assigned to them. For example, this donor path will help the organization track prospective donors as they come in until they complete a donation. A low-level staffer should be able to access profiles on the potential donor step, but not on the asked to pledge, pledged, etc. steps. To make your staffer the automatic point person for a path step, click Edit next to the name of the path you want to edit. Edit your path settings as necessary and go to Steps. Hover over and click Edit next to the step you want to edit. Assign the step to your staffer using the Assign Step To drop-down menu. Click Update Step. Now any profile that is on the potential donor step of the donor path will have this person as the point person for that step. Assign access to an entire path. Assigning a path, rather than just a step, is great when a single person is responsible for an entire process from start to finish. Note, assignments are based on when a control panel user is assigned to that path. This means that they will be assigned to everyone on the given path going forward, not retroactively, and will continue to have access to everyone they have been assigned to until the assigned persons have completed the path or step in question, regardless of whether or not the control panel user is still the point person for the path itself. For example, let's say a field director is identifying supporters who want a campaign yard sign and putting them on a yard sign path. Once the profiles are on that path, a low-level staffer will be taking over the relationship, but the field director does not want the staffer to have access to the rest of the database. Start by following the steps in the beginning of this video related to permission sets. Assign the control panel user to your path. In this example, the field director will assign the person to the yard sign path. Now go to People, select the path picker, and click Edit next to the appropriate path. At Path Name Settings, under the Settings tab, select the correct staffer from the Assign Path To drop-down menu. Click Save Path. Any profile on the yard sign path will have this person as point person for the path. All profiles in the yard sign path will be visible to this person, and as the point person abandons or completes paths for the supporters, they will be removed from the number of profiles assigned to them.